We're going to continue today. I'm actually going to film a little bit of what I'm doing. I'm putting the bottom and it's just another piece of plywood from my old toolbox. It's not perfect, but I'm just going to slide underneath here and put a piece of carpet over the top of it anyway. So just got the old carpet from the top of the old toolbox as well. I'm going to take this. When I lift this up, I've already strapped it down. I really forgot to put a piece underneath here. There we go. Just nail it down and then put the carpet in. Right, got it in. Now we just gotta cut the carpet. I'm gonna put the carpet in the inner part here. It's good to kind of have these lips because when you have something in here that's kind of a little bit large and likes to slide around, it won't slide up very easily back now. These nails are not that great, so I do have to find the screws. Don't ask why I'm using nails. Just down. Just got to cut this carpet. It's not a perfect piece of carpet, but it'll do. Nothing is perfect. I'm going to pause the video. Yeah, there we go. Got the carpet in. It's just going to sit down in this spot here. It's just sitting there. Might get some glue it down eventually, but I would kind of like it to be able to come out for making it easier to clean whenever it needs to be cleaned. This is just old salvaged carpet, so it's not perfect. We're not putting a top on this. I think I might have mentioned that in one of the other videos. But next thing I'm going to do is take a piece of carpet and put it on the bottom of this box. So, got one off cut here, over here. It should be the right size. Actually very close. But this carpet's a bit of a mess too. It's got a bunch of little pieces coming off of it. We're almost done this. That spare wheel eventually, and we lost focus to the video. God damn it. Alright, I've got it all carpeted now, so we're real close to having this all done. I don't think there's anything else to do with this now. So I'll figure something out. Just realized I need to make some fronts for this. I'm going to make two doors for the front. So when the cargo covers over, it's going to cover the top. There's nothing going to be covering in the front. So over there, I have an old bifold door. I'm going to cut that down. I'm going to make two folding doors for there. And it is falling apart. Lol. We can sort that. So all I got to do is trim it down and make it useful. Right, got these 2 doors fitted. It's pretty good. This one cut really badly. And also opens kind of the wrong way. There we go. But I had to trim this one off here. I need to figure a way to lock this now. I bet you, the moment we go driving, it's going to swing open. There we go. I just adjusted this. So now I'm going to start putting things back together, clean this fucking mess up, because we are mostly done this toolbox. Just got to put some locks on this. There we go. Let's put everything back together. I just put the back seats up. This cover that needs to go on. And that's what the finished product looks like. Got a few more touch-ups to do. I'll do those off camera, but see you later. Talk to you later. Make sure you like and subscribe.